Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making a quick and delicious semolina pancake, also known as Suji Ka Cheela. This savory pancake is loaded with veggies and spices, making it a perfect breakfast or snack. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1 cup semolina, Suji, 1/2 cup yogurt, 1/2 cup water, adjust as needed, 1 small onion, finely chopped, 1 small tomato, finely chopped, 1 green chili, finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon cumin seeds, salt to taste, fresh coriander leaves for garnish, oil for cooking. Directions: in a bowl, mix semolina, yogurt, and water to make a smooth batter. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Add chopped onion, tomato, green chili, turmeric, cumin seeds, and salt to the batter. Mix well. Heat a non-stick pan and grease it lightly with oil. Pour a ladleful of batter onto the pan and spread it out into a thin pancake. Cook on medium heat until golden brown on one side, then flip and cook the other side. Serve hot, garnished with fresh coriander leaves and accompanied by chutney or ketchup. Prep time: 15 minutes. Cook time: 10 minutes. Total time: 25 minutes. Calories: 180 kilocalories per serving. Servings: 4 servings. Enjoy your tasty semolina pancakes. Don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.